our internal combustion engine is the first is the compression. After compression, heat addition. Heat addition with the spark plug through the, that is the heat addition. Third step is the expansion, means our piston is the move, means the expansion. And the fourth stroke is the exhaust stroke. Exhaust means the here are heat are also exhaust. That is the fourth stroke follow. First is the compression, then heat addition, third one is the expansion. During power stroke our piston move, means expand, that is the expansion stroke. And the fourth stroke is the during exhaust, means the only not a exhaust of the gas are also take a heat and go to surrounding. That means here you can say that the exhaust of heat. Mean 4 processes are required to complete in our combustion, our working of the internal combustion engine. Carnot cycle is the ideal cycle, and here are all processes are reversible due to efficiency of Carnot cycle is maximum. Because of our Carnot cycle is the all process, compression, heat addition or expansion, and fourth is the heat exhaust. All process the reversible process due to efficiency of the Carnot cycle is maximum. What is the reversible? Means suppose I am go here to here, I am go to suppose process 4 to 1, then again repeat, again 1 to 4 return the same path, not any loss, not any change, then return is 1 to 4. That process known as the reversible process. This reversible process due to our Carnot cycle efficiency is maximum. So any process you are study, then first analysis the Carnot cycle to find out the efficiency of the engine. Our first process, basically our fourth process, 1 to 2, reversible isentropic compression. What is say that isentropic? Isentropic means the adiabatic plus reversible. Isentropic means the adiabatic plus reversible is known as isentropic. Isentropic adiabatic means heat is constant. Q, heat is the constant. When Q is constant, that means S is constant. And you can see the PV and TS diagram. The curve is the make a curve, not a straight line. 1 to 2 is the 1 to 2 process is the reversible isentropic process, that is the compression process. And 2 to 3 reversible heat addition, reversible isothermal heat addition, means the temperature are constant during that this process. Temperature is constant. You can see that is the PV diagram. In TS diagram, in isentropic process, isentropic compression means heat is constant. When heat is constant, then in entropy yes are constant, means the 1 to 2 you can say that the our entropy is constant due to his process of adiabatic process. Due to adiabatic process our entropy is constant. And 2 to 3 is the isothermal process. Heat is constant. You can see that 2 to 3 process is the temperature is constant. T2 is equal to T3. Temperature is constant. That is our isothermal heat addition. 3 to 4 reversible isentropic expansion, means isentropic means adiabatic expansion. 3 to 4 is the adiabatic expansion in the TS diagram, and 3 to 4 also the make a curve, that is the expansion process. Fourth process 4 to 1 reversible isothermal heat rejection process. 4 to 1 process is known as the also isothermal. Isothermal means temperature is constant. You can see that the temperature T1 is equal to T4 due to cycle completed a Carnot cycle. You can see here that cycle is a going clockwise cycle. when when you see any of working cycle like as the clockwise cycle, that means work producing cycle. He is not a work consuming cycle, he is in a work producing cycle. You are feel the in internal combustion is obtain output of the work, that means due to system through obtain work, not a give work to system to obtain the this work, that is the work producing cycle. That is the how can judge the that cycle is the work in the clockwise direction. So our heat supply, which process 2 to 3 process 2 to 3 process the heat input. What is the heat formula? Q heat addition is equal to mR T2 log of V3 upon V2. Final V3 by V2. You can say V3 volume is the more in comparison to V2. So higher volume divided by lower volume. That is the V1. That is the V3. Who is the more? V3 is more. So V3 by V2. mRT2 ln V3 by V2. And second heat exhaust. Heat exhaust, that heat between the 1 to 4 process. Q14, what is Q14? Heat ejected by the air. Q41 means Q rejected. mR into T1 log V4 by V1. Higher volume V4 divided by V1. That process is the heat is exhaust. Then Q work done is equal to, what is work done? Work done is equal to Q addition minus Q rejection. That heat difference is known as the work. Write this m into RT2 into log V3 by V2 minus m RT1 log V4 minus V1. Then what is the efficiency? Efficiency output upon input. Output is the work. Our input is here. You can see that diagram. Efficiency of this cycle. Find out the Carnot. Our main motive Carnot cycle to find out efficiency. Then what is the efficiency? Efficiency output upon input. What is the output? Output is the work. Work I'll find out, and input is the heat input between Q2 to 3. Efficiency of Carnot cycle is the net work output upon heat supplied. Net output are find out in the next slide, previous slide, and the heat supplied also find out the previous slide. You can put this QA minus QR divided by QA, that is the work QA minus QR, and QA is the heat addition. You can write this equation 1 minus QR upon QA, QA divided by 1 and QA upon QR. Then obtain the equation 1 minus MR, then put the value of the QR and QA, obtain this equation. You know isentropic process 1 to 2. To go the process 1 to 2, that process the isentropic process. That means you can write the equation T2 upon T1 is equal to a relationship temperature and volume is T2 by T1 is equal to V1 by V2 के power gamma minus 1. That relation T2 upon T1 is equal to V1 minus V2 के power gamma minus 1. And then you can write this V1 by V2 is equal to, that is the go inside here, then 1 by gamma minus 1. Isentropic process 3 to 4. 3 to 4 also is the process of isentropic process. Then apply here the T3 by T4 is equal to V4 by V3 के power gamma minus 1. Then again here find out V4 by V3 is equal to T3 by T4 के power 1 upon gamma minus 1. But you can see that the temperature of T2 is equal to T3. That means T3 equal to T2 and T4 is equal to T1. Means that equation both are equal. T3 by T4, T2 by T1 both are the equal. Then you can write 2 and 3, both 2 and 3 equation through the V1 by V2 also equal to V4 by V3. When this V3 by V2 equal to V4 by V1 are also be right. Suppose I am this V3 transfer here and V1 is transferred here. Then obtain the V3 by V2 or V4 by V1. Because of V4 by V1 is equal to V3 by V2, to change it due to this equation, this numerator denominator are same, due to IM we change the V1 to V3 in next slide. See you. This is the V3 by V2 is equal to V4 by V1, and the value of V3 by V2 is the put in the equation number 1. Then obtain the V4 by V1. Then V3 by V2 value replace by V4 by V1. Then this MR cancel, and log V4 by V1 and log V4 by V1 are also cancelled. Then obtain the efficiency of the corner cycle is 1 minus T1 by T2. This sequence say that the efficiency of corner cycle is dependent upon the temperature limit. Thank you and खुश रहो.